Delta is continuing to push on shore. We have a little bit of cloud cover here in North Texas. From that, mainly off to the east where we have more clouds, but you can see the center of circulation has expanded. That's called decoupling. So atmospherically, what that means is we're starting to see a lot of the strongest thunderstorm activity away from where the center of circulation is with Hurricane Delta. Already the storms have worked their way on shore. We're seeing wind gusts up to near 60 miles per hour. Some of that even over to near the Beaumont, Port Arthur area. Galveston reporting wind gusts up to near 30 miles per hour or higher. So we're still seeing this northeastward movement. And remember that right front quadrant is where we have the potential of those tornadoes. So the latest information coming in from the National Hurricane Center as of 4 o'clock shows the center is 35 miles south of Cameron, moving northeast at about 14 miles per hour. Winds at 105. So a strong Category 2 hurricane. When we reach 111, that's when we have a Category 3. So we're still dealing with a strong hurricane, and it's going to be making its way onshore with that center moving onshore probably in the next hour and a half to 2 hours. Now, already seeing the outer bands and that northern eye wall moving onshore, but until the center makes landfall, that's when we actually have landfall. Going through tonight into early tomorrow morning, still a strong tropical storm near Alexandria, and then pushing its way into parts of Mississippi, and then going through Saturday into Sunday, downgrading as a tropical depression over parts of central Tennessee and even into near Lexington, Kentucky, dealing with the potential of some flooding rains from that. So you saw that center is about 35 miles south of Cameron, continuing to make its way northeast. The flooding concern is there. This green color indicates where we do have the flood watch. So the potential rainfall, as we put this into motion through the remainder of the night tonight, some spots picking up an additional 5 to 7 inches of rain, Lake Charles being one of those places. So the flooding is also the concern there, as well as the storm surge. Here is Cameron. Here is Lake Arthur. You notice the red color right here. That indicates storm surge potential of 9 feet above normal tide levels. Even further inland, where you have the rivers that aren't able to drain back out into the Gulf, they're going to be up above the water levels as well. So as you take a look, Clyde Warren Park, no water there. It's 83 degrees, dew point of 68. I do expect to see a hot weekend for us. Take a look at this. We're going to be seeing temperatures of 89 for tomorrow, sunshine returning, dry air settling in on Sunday. Doug, 98, the forecast high. The record high is 99. So possible record heat on Sunday before we have a cool down into Monday with a high back into the upper 80s.